Van Light, and today I would like to unbox electric ear cleaner with irrigation system. And yes guys, super excited about it because it can help you to relieve your impacted ear, minimize the risk of infection. And yes guys, so let's see exactly what's inside and how to open it. All right, I believe, ooh, just like this, right? All right, so this is how it looks right here, right? So again, let's see. So basically, it's kind of a standalone unit, right? That you fill with the water, right here. And here is a little irrigation path, right? All right, and I see that right now it's lit up. I guess it's already charged. And another thing that I see is right here is your USB-C charger, right? And it has an option for normal, soft, and pulse, as well as the strong, right? So how cool is that? And yes guys, so I believe this should be scrolled on top of here and filled with water, which I'm exactly going to be doing, right? And again, here are the buttons, and I just want to try it without the water, right, to kind of see exactly what it does. And right now it is on soft. And then with this button, you actually switching in between all of the modes, right? How cool is that? So I would probably suggest to start with the soft option. And again, here are your irrigation tips that are also included in the package. Looks like 6 of these. Yes, 6 of these. So I believe you put it on top of here, right? So again, you can just, you know, dispose them, right? So how cool is that? All right. And here is your user manual. As you guys know, I don't usually like to use the user manual, but I feel like for something like this you need to, right? And of course, be careful with it. And again, here is your USB charger, which is also included in a package. So yes, I'm just going to add a little bit of water, and we'll find out exactly how it works. All right, so again, I didn't feel it till the end, but again, for us to just try, I feel like it's definitely going to work. And just putting it in, screwing this part on top. And yes guys, let's see. Let me just shoot away for a second. Woo! Oh my god guys, it's definitely quite powerful. And right now it is on strong, so I actually have to switch it to soft, as I'm going to be trying it for the first time. And again, the part I really like that it comes with this tray, right? So it's kind of ear friendly for a small ear if you use it for a child, or a larger one like mine. And probably earring is not needed at this moment, right? So let's put it in like this and push it in like this. And yes guys, I am okay. Did I just switch? Yes, I just switched. So I'm going to switch back into the soft mode and press the start button and tell you exactly how it feels. Ooh, it actually feels quite nice. It actually feels quite nice. And yes guys, actually feels like, you know, soft is definitely fine for me. And yes, I feel like everything is definitely clean and nothing is inside, right? But again, some people do it professionally, right? But I feel like it's the closest thing to professional clog removal that possible. Absolutely